coming from the Council of Chiefs, which I am a member, Madam Chair, if I may read this statement.
Please proceed.
The Council of Chiefs, 8th floor, State Center 2, Ortigas Avenue, Mandaluyong City. The Council of Chiefs, composed of former chiefs of the Philippine National Police, strongly condemns the irresponsible statement made by retired AFP Brigadier General, now a senior PAGCOR official, Raul Villanueva, during the Senate investigation of illegal pugos last September 17, 2024. Villanueva claims that based on unvalidated information and rumors circulating within the intelligence community, a former PNP chief helped in the escape of former Bamban Mayor Alice Gu and is also in the Pugo monthly payroll. This is a sweeping accusation which maligns and brings dishonor to all of us, former chiefs, who have dedicated the best years of our lives in the service of the Filipino nation. Although we are now retired, we continuously uphold our integrity to the highest standards and our solemn pledge to serve and protect our country and people. As a retired Brigadier General himself, schooled in the Philippine Military Academy's tradition of producing an officer and a gentleman, it is incumbent upon himself, in the interest of transparency, fairness, and justice, to identify this rogue former PNP chief to clear the names of those not involved. However, if the information turns out false, after validating the report, we hereby demand a public apology, no less, from the same officer. Signed, General Renato S. De Villa, Chairman, Council of Chiefs. Police General Edgar B. Aglipay, President, Council of Chiefs.